Guys, this is KJ Vasan, founder of Pisence Technologies. So, what if I told you we hacked a small business under 15 months? I will explain every step by step. So, let's take this way. Okay, sitting in a coffee shop in any fancy place, just with a laptop, we can just break into a small business under 15 months. Okay, it's not any movie stuff or nothing like that. I'll explain every step. No crazy equipment or no additional equipment, just social engineering. I will do. Okay. Just a just a browser, some free tools, and publicly available information. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how this happens, step by step, so you can see your business the way hacker does. And before you think my business is too small for this, that's exactly what the last 47% of small business that got breached thought would. So let's get into it. So let's focus on the first step. Phase 1, Reconnaissance. Every hack starts before the hacker even touches a keyboard. It starts with just basically googling you hard. Okay, so the first 2 minutes, your business domain name. So the hacker just wants to find your business domain name, the name of your email provider, who registered your website for and when. So basically it's available on the internet. Sometimes the names of your staffs from LinkedIn, and any old data breaches your email already appeared in. So like the last one is huge. Okay, sites like Have a Beam Pawn shows if your email or any your employee's email was in the past breach. If they use the same passwords anywhere, the game is over in the first step itself. Uh, the next is phase 2. Let's keep it this way. So yeah, now the hacker looks for a way in. Okay, so we like finding the doors. Think of your business like a building. So most owners lock their front doors, but there's always the back doors. So let's say that the main door is a website, but there's other doors most people forget. The huge one, the old admin panels. If your website runs on WordPress, it's about 40% small business sites too. Yeah, because it's cheaper and it's easily built on DIY. And there's a login page sitting at a website like website.com/wp-admin. It's public and anyone can see. If your password is weak or default like admin at 123, that's the door is wide open. So we have done the assessments where business still had routers password as its admin and password as admin and password 123. That's a commonly used ID and password. That's not even hacking. That's just walking in. So we are 6 minutes into the. I think we are 3 minutes into 15 minutes. The hacker now knows who you are, where you are weak, and the doors are. So and has most likely the passwords to try. So you even haven't done anything illegal yet. This is just publicly available information. The next phase would be getting in. Now they try to get in. The most common method for small business isn't some old, any crazy exploits. It's just credential stuff. They're taking your email and password combos from old breaches and just trying them out. So people reuse passwords most common like Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn's password will be common for stuff. So if people reuse passwords, that's whole game. One leaked password from like 2 to 3 years ago breach could get them right on email. If your email works, now the hackers they can read every emails, research every passwords, access everything connected to that email. Yeah, let's say your accounting softwares or anything related to payments. Okay. The password resets email and no one thing. If your email is gone, everything can be accessed because everything is linked to the email. So we are into 4 minutes 40 seconds in the phase 3 we got in. So next is the damage. Let's keep it like this. Lock the here's where it gets bad. Okay. At this point, the hacker has option. They can lock you out and demand a ransom, or quietly steal your customer data and sell it, or they can do fake invoices to your clients from your email. So that would be mostly your client, maybe they can pay. There is an option, or they can just sit there and watch for months and before doing anything. So they will collect data and then they will be doing the anything from the four things I mentioned. Okay. Basically the average cost of a breach for small business is around 10 or 20 lakhs. That's what going on. So when you count the downtime, legal fees and fines, the lost clients, 60% of small business close within 6 months of a major breach. And all of this started in just what, 5 minutes, 6 months, I think, with nothing, just a laptop and publicly available information. They haven't done anything illegal. They just used the publicly available information and got into the systems. So now I'm telling you, not yeah. So this happened to your business. Okay. Now I'm not telling you just to scare you. I'm just telling you because most small business owners have no idea this is possible, and the only way to know that for sure if your business has these gaps is to have someone to test it before hackers does. That's exactly what penetration testing does. Okay, VAPT, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So we do everything I just showed you, legally, ethically, and with your permission. We give you full report of every dose we found opens. It can be your web application, it can be your network, it can be your infrastructure, it can be your email, or anything that's connected to your internet. And that's how we close it. We assess everything, we make a report of it, then we help you to close it. So if you want to know how exposed your business actually is, you can contact through email, or you can call us, and you can directly go visit our website and you can see which service you want. We do vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, SOC compliance, and SOC monitoring. We do everything. And if this video opened your eyes even a little, share it with other businesses owner. It might save them a little expensive lesson. Okay. See you on another one. Thank you for watching.